when you are playing the gong, is there anything you would recommend not to do? This is a great question. What would you recommend not to? I recommend that you not play the gong from an ego-driven agenda. That's what I would recommend. And I also recommend that you not play the gong when you're not feeling fully connected to yourself and your energy and your own health and healing. It's really not so much about technique not to do it or not to strike it that way or not to turn it upside down or whatever. Not so much that. It's focusing on what would you recommend you not to be or you not to do as a human playing the gong, right? That's really the most important question. And that's why I say an ego-driven agenda where you're playing not to heal or to elevate, but you have your own other purposes, you have your own other insecurities. You haven't done the work on yourself first. I would recommend that you meditate before you play the gong. I can recommend you do that. Then you don't have to worry about what not to do.